4,
Nice, a good
3,
job, man.
2, 1.
Aggro.
Yeah, move. Actually, there's like nothing stopping you guys from being close to yellow here, by the way. Watch the orbs coming through the group. Watch out, please. LOS. Perfect. Wind rush, and then just be ready to move. We're not moving yet. Just be ready to move. You ready to LOS to the left? LOS. Oh, my least favorite puddle. Okay, intermission.
Don't hug the pillar. Don't do it.
Yeah, just hug the pillars for the LOS mechanic.
Yeah. I see you, dirty little pillar hugger.
You ready to LOS?
Nah, I'm just
LOS?
gonna do it to trigger you.
You can't even
LOS.
make paper out of this fucking pillar.
You can go the same way this time. LOS.
You can stand out there and
Yeah,
still
back on blue.
whoever pulled me.
I wasn't 100% sure. Good to know that.
PK is toxic. You move the. Actually, this is fine. I'm just staying kind of close. Just stand in the blind swipe. Just ignore the blind swipe if it happens. Take the echo locations out. Yeah, it doesn't do that much damage, so we can just stand in it. Get ready to move to green. Wait. Okay, go. When I say get ready to move to green, that does not mean move, so please be patient. We have plenty of time to move once we see the boss casting. This is a kill pull right here if we just play the next intermission smart, so just take echo locations. Just LOS.
Colossus
Remember
smash.
Remember to use your guys' defensives and all that stuff, and health pots, health stones, like as we keep progressing this fight.
Hardbro taunted 3 times.
Who needs paints up? Somebody need paints up?
Get ready to move. Drop wind rush. Don't go yet. You guys need to stop moving. Okay, now you go. Remember, we're gonna LOS in probably a second here. Just ready to LOS to the left. The Spirit Link, yeah, Beastoid, you're gonna use Spirit Link on this. Go ahead and Aura Mastery right now too, and then Spirit Link. LOS, 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 LOS. Good job. Okay, intermission. Don't fuck this up. This is literally a kill right here, so just play the intermission smart. And you can stand in the shit. You can, like, if you have to. I'm pretty sure he's gonna eat it all. No, he doesn't get rid of it. You can stand in the shit to LOS, so, like, don't freak out about standing in the pools on the floor. It doesn't do, you know, it doesn't murder you. Just don't stand in it for too long. LOS. Don't worry about standing in the pools, remember. Okay, dodge. Dodge, dodge, dodge. LOS. Keep doing good. We're doing good. Get ready to LOS again. LOS. use personals, all that stuff. Second pot, put him on blue. Keep them towards the blue on the wall. That's fine. Get our tank up, and B-res a DPS too. Take echo locations out. Just get a DPS up too with the other B-res.
Yep.
Get ready to move to green. Okay, go green. Easy kill, boys. Let's keep going. Just don't fuck up this LOS and we're good on this yellow spot, so just be ready to go to yellow when we need to. Take echo locations out, and then get ready to LOS. LOS. No, just kill boss. Good job, everybody.
Nice work, boys.
Hell yeah.
Nice
A
job.
little messy, but
But it's not over
I
yet.
think it was pretty
Falling
good.
apart right now. Okay.
Yeah. Just get ready to move again, just in case. Just kill the boss, you're fine. Cool, awesome.
Hell yeah.
GG,
Go.
guys. Congrats, everybody.